Hello my Digi viewers, welcome to my vlog. We are now here in Changi Airport, Terminal 3.
Changi Airport is the main international airport in Singapore. It is one of the busiest airports in the world and serves as a major hub for Southeast Asia. It has 4 terminals with Terminal 5 currently under construction. The airport offers a wide range of facilities and services for travelers, including numerous shopping and dining options, lounges, transit hotels, and entertainment areas.
Singapore street food. Batcha coffee.
Batcha coffee. Batcha coffee.
Ganda. Ba ito ang ganda.
Dito ko check mo.
In Singapore's Terminal 3, there are several Priority Pass lounges available for travelers to enjoy. We chose the Green Market, situated in the Departure Transit Hall near Gate A. This lounge offers a unique concept with a focus on healthy and sustainable food options. It provides a buffet spread, a variety of beverages, and shower facilities.
Here you can make your own laksa. Signature laksa. Okay, we are now here in Free Singapore tour. We're gonna wait for our tour.
Huh?
Tiger Balm.
We will be going on a city tour, so they require us to store our baggage. To use the baggage storage service, you will need to present a valid ID, such as passport or driver's license, and you will also need to pay a fee based on the size and duration of storage. Changi Airport offers a free Singapore tour for passengers with a layover of at least 5.5 hours and a valid onward ticket. We availed of the free tour. This tour is called the Changi Transit Program, and it allows passengers to explore some of Singapore's iconic transactions. We are now on our way to immigration so that we can go out of the Singapore airport. Immigration procedures at Changi Airport are typically straightforward and efficient. Since we are only here for the day tour, we just presented our passport and our documents. They already have our arrival card here.
Oh, look at that. That's so nice. Okay, this is the bus for the Free Singapore tour. Free Singapore tour.
The city tour lasts for approximately 2.5 hours and includes visits to popular sites such as Merlion Park, Gardens by the Bay, and the Marina Bay Sands Sky Park. To join the Free Singapore Tour, passengers can register at the Free Singapore Tours booths located in the transit areas of Terminals 2 and 3. The tours are available on a first come, first served basis, and registration opens 3 hours before the start of each tour. You will see here the Sky Park. It is a 1.2-hectare rooftop oasis that sits atop the three hotel towers of Marina Bay Sands. It features a 150-meter long infinity pool, observation decks, lush gardens, and various dining options. Merlion Park is a popular tourist attraction in Singapore. It is located near Marina Bay Sands and is home to the iconic Merlion statue. The Merlion is a mythical creature with the head of a lion and the body of a fish, symbolizing the city's origins as a fishing village and its transformation into a modern metropolis. We are now here in Gardens by the Bay. It is a sprawling nature park located in the Marina Bay area adjacent to the Marina Reservoir. The park spans 101 hectares and is known for its stunning futuristic architecture, beautiful gardens, and iconic super trees. The main highlights of the Gardens by the Bay include the Super Tree Grove, Flower Dome, Cloud Forest, and outdoor gardens. Super trees are vertical gardens ranging in height from 25 to 50 meters. They are covered in a variety of plants and serve as a vertical garden, solar panels, and rainwater collectors. Visitors can walk along the OCBC Skyway, a 128-meter long walkway that connects two of the super trees and offers panoramic views of the gardens and the city's skyline.
Hi, I hope you enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you. Hi, I hope you enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe.